Hey, my name is Nikki. In this video, I'll show you how you can paint a donut with watercolors. I've already sketched out my donut. If you want, you can download it. I leave a link in the video description. If you want to sketch it yourself, just draw a circle with a smaller circle in the center, then a really curvy line on the outside and one on the inside. Today I use my mixed media sketch pad and my Craftomer round brushes. I start by waking up my colors with a few water drops. For the first part I use the colors rose beige, yellow ochre and a bit of burnt sienna, and I mix the three colors together. I don't want the paint to be too opaque, so I mix in a little water and then I start painting my donut right away. The weather today is super hot and the paper quality I use is not the best for watercolor, so the paper dries very quick and I have to hurry a little. That's why I paint it bit by bit. I paint in a small pot and then I bring in some raw umber deep into my mixture and start shading. If you use better quality paper, you can also paint the entire layer and then start shading afterwards. I use a clean damp brush to blend the colors into each other. If you want to help my channel grow, please give this video a thumbs up to help me with the algorithm. Then I start with the next part. I paint in some shadows and depth again. And so I do all around. Then I begin to paint the inner part. I use the same technique as I did on the outside. To give it more depth, I make sure to paint the shadow on the inside. Also around the outside I add a little more pigment to add here more depth too. Then I start with the glaze. Therefore I take the color Cherry Blossom Pink and water it down a bit. If you wonder which watercolors I'm using here, this is my Kuretake Gansai Tambi Japanese watercolor set. I can highly recommend it to you if you are still searching for good watercolor paints. The set has a lot of cute, vibrant colors and they are also vegan friendly if that matters to you. Okay, let's move on. I paint in the glaze. It's not that easy because the paint dries quick and I have to work precise at the edges. Then I paint a second layer of this color at the edges and blend it with a clean damp brush. And the same thing I do at the inside of my donut. time to paint in the sprinkles. I use cobalt blue, rose madder and cadmium yellow for that. Just a few random placed strokes here and there. And that's it, the donut is finished. I hope you had as much fun as I did. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, so you won't miss any of my weekly videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye!